Hello my wonderful audience. In this video I'll be showing you guys the best way to cut a free sleeve for a female dress. Okay, now look at this sleeve. Before we move to the video, I would like you to click on the subscribe button so that you get notified when I post another tutorial video. Also on the notification bell. Okay, now look at the material I'll be using for this tutorial. If you can see, the material is light, like a chiffon material. Now I just fold it into two. Hope you see, I fold the material into two and also fold it again, that is into four. Now hope you can see, I just fold into four places. Now I'll be taking out my measurements from here. The length of the sleeve is 11 inches. I add 1 inch, which is 12. Now you are going to place the tape like this. Now you mark it out. You also turn the tape, shift it again. Make sure the tape is stable, like hope you are seeing how I'm doing it. You also mark. Okay, now hope you see what I just. Now you are going to join it through. Join what you have marked. Hope you can see how it is. Now we are going to trim it out. Note that this is the perfect way. Try it and thank me later. And don't forget to drop a comment. Most people used to cut a circle from here, but that is not the right way. This measurement I just took now is the armhole measurement, which is 9 inches. Now I'll be adding 3 inches like this. Also add 3 inches from here. Also take another one. You mark it, you join it through. Now look at what I'm going to do now. I'll be slanting like this and also slant this side. Now I will take out half inch from here. Hope you see what I did. And also take another half inch. Now I'm going to make a curve like this, a little curve from this place, and also make another one like this. Hope you see what I did. Now watch and see how I'll be cutting it. I'll be trimming this. This is the best way to cut a sleeve. Please don't forget to drop a comment and also click the like button so that this video can go viral. Hope you can see how neat and very easy it is. Hope you see it. Now you are going to make a notch at the center so that when fixing it, it will be easier for you. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and also check the comment section for more tutorial. Thank you.